So good evening everyone, this is Linda. I dropped some chickpeas over here and only looks like two came up. So no problem, no problem. Now I could kind of soak some and I'm gonna put some in a plastic bag on a paper towel and we're gonna do it that way. And we're going to see if we can get some of them to germinate in that bag. But in the meantime, I'm going to just drop some more peas in this container. That's what we're going to do. So I have a lot of things that I've harvested like last spring. I harvested these, and this is a moonflower. Let's see if I could get her open. There she is. These are moonflower seeds. So I'm gonna drop a lot of these today. So give me a second, y'all. So here they are here. So a lot of moonflowers. I have some in a bag also. It looks like, wait a minute. I'm sorry, y'all. It looks like it has some other flowers, but it looks like it have another kind of flower in here also. But these are moonflowers. That's what this is. And usually I don't take them out hey, you could take them out the hull and, have them in a jar or somewhere, But as you can see, just leaving them, it don't hurt them at all. Don't hurt them. No. So I'm gonna drop a lot of these here around the stumps of the trees. That's gonna help the birds and the hummingbirds. They like all that kind of good stuff. So I'm gonna give it to them, y'all. That one is not good. Okay. So we're gonna drop that. And I don't know what I was doing with this. Okay. So I have some other seeds that I saved in here. So it's some Egyptian spinach. And this, let's see what that is. Let's see, can I get this bag open? And Jada's gonna hang up her little welcome flower that I purchased for her. Some time ago I purchased it from Dollar. So these are morning glory seeds I harvest from in the yard. And this is some crowder peas. Now someone sent this to me, but I don't know who sent these. It had to be a while ago. And this is some Morning Star watermelons. I have some Baker Creek, some Botanical Interest Morning Star. So that is seednow.com. And this one is a Morning Star yellow flesh. Yeah. I'm gonna drop that after I harvest my onions. And a chocolate tomato. Now this is 4 o'clock seeds. That's what that is. This is more 4 o'clock seeds. And I'm gonna drop those while I'm out here today. And there's some other seeds in here too. I didn't know where this pack was. This was in a box. In this box here. Look at the marigolds, y'all. Probably been in there for years. Oh, let's see. Check out these here bell peppers. So this is a chocolate bell. And this one is a white cloud. Seed now, seed. Mm-hmm. Let's see what else we have in here. Might as well just, drop a couple of seeds because I don't know how long these been sitting in here. And this is some red pear tomatoes. I never dropped those, but we don't drop them since we're out here. And I found the bag, y'all. I found the bag. Now this, oh my goodness, check that out, y'all. One thing I can say, these are tomato seeds, but there's no name, there's nothing, but they're tomato seeds, so I'm gonna drop them. Yeah. All right. But anyway, guys, I hope you are having a beautiful evening. It's feeling really nice. I mean, very nice. And of course, y'all, this mullein is just life, y'all. They're just life. What could I say? But I'm going to go and drop my seeds, and I'm going to holler at y'all a little later. All right? All right, guys. I'm over here by my olive tree, and oh wow, look at you. What are you doing? Move my head. It's about 83 degrees right now. Yeah, but I'm gonna drop a few of these Jamaican sorrel seeds. That's what they are. Let me open them. So this is one of my little Katrina bricks that this olive tree is in. I'm just going to drop a couple of them. This is a lot of seeds, but I'm not dropping all of these seeds. Maybe 4. Oh, I got to get that one. She went wild. Let me get me a nice fat one. So these are some seeds that I saved from last season. Matter of fact, on tomorrow night, live, I will be drinking some of that Jamaican sorrel drink. I have some sitting in some fruits right now. Baby, she getting right. She getting real right. So tomorrow, it'll be nice and ready for the live. Yeah. Oh, there it is right there. Oh, wait a minute now. Oh, here it is. That's her. Let's put her in there. She wanna be dropped, so let's drop her. Maybe that'd be the one. That would be the one. But I hope you all been having a beautiful Saturday. It's just an amazing day. Another amazing day, I will say, right? But I hope you've been having an amazing day also. But right now, I'm finishing up everything in my garden, and the kids and I are going bowling tonight. Well, let me just say this here. I don't know if my little sister gonna bowl, because my little sister gonna be there. It's my little sister and my family and my children and her children, and of course our grandchildren. So if you've been with me a while, then you know before COVID, my sister and I and our children and our grandchildren used to get together once a month, and we called it our family day. Once a month, that's what we did. And then, of course, when COVID hit, what we did was we started to just hang out all together on Instagram Live. Now, I have a niece that lives in Vegas, so we should pull her into. So tonight, we're going to get her in. She's going to be on Instagram, but she's going to be a part of what we're doing. but we are all going bowling, right? So I will take some clips there and let y'all see what we're doing, all right? But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go in now, get me a shower, and get me on some little cute clothes for bowling. All right, guys.